And finally, we have the review. So you've done the challenge, you've gotten points from the challenge, and it's on to the homework. And the homework and the challenge should have totally prepared you to do the review now. And it's really important that you get to this point with as much foundation as you possibly can to be able to complete this. This one only has 2 tries. Let's see, let's go back here. And that was, there's a challenge, there's the review. When this opens up, you have 6 questions. You have 2 attempts at the question. Let's see, you have 2 attempts at the review, I believe. Let me get that right. You have 6 questions, 2 attempts. And then you have the questions. And let's see what else we got going on here. Now remember, if you have this, an icon, you can look at this and copy it. This one, it says you can't copy. Some of them you can. This is just giving you the normal distributions that you can go into and look for. This is just for review only. If this were data, you could copy that over to Excel or to StatCrunch. Here's something really key when doing putting numbers in here. This, make sure that's right. If it says 4 decimal places, give it 4 decimal places. If you accidentally have it right but give it too many decimal places, email me and I can go in and correct that. I'm not going to slam you because you forget to put in an extra 0 or something like that. But if you do put the full result in there without rounding it and it gets counted incorrect, just let me know and we'll see what we can do to make that right. But try not to do that. And these do change. Sometimes it's 4, sometimes it's 2, sometimes it's 1, sometimes it's no decimal places. It's just they want the whole number. So be really careful about that. It can be picky. Question help, same thing. You've got a view an example. And this is in the final thing. So you can go into here and go through what this question is asking. It's not going to give you the same numbers that you're using, obviously, but it's going to show you how to do this. So even on the very last assignment you've got, you have a chance to go in and review that example. And if you've been taking notes along the way, you should be able to zip right through this at this point. It does take time to get to this point, but it's so much easier than struggling and getting frustrated. There's all kinds of help available for you here. So, you know, there's 15 parts to this. That means it's kind of substantial. So go through this and figure out how to do the question. And then you can go back and actually do this question. And again, if you mess up on the decimals, let me know, and we'll see what we can do to get that corrected. Again, you can submit the test. I believe there are 2 chances for this, and I'm going to have to verify that, so I will make sure that we have the right answer there. So those are ways that you can use MyStatLab. You know, take your time. It's better than just being thrown into it. There's a lot of help here, so make sure you use that help.